Hello and welcome friends. We are again here with a new case of the chapter marginal costing. The data available is fixed cost rupees 40,000, variable cost rupees 320,000 or rupees 3,20,000 and break even point rupees 2 lakh or 200,000. Find out profit volume ratio, margin of safety and profit. That means profit at present. Okay, now first of all, which out of these three can be found first? Obviously PV ratio, because we have fixed cost and BEP. So if we use the formula of calculating break-even sales value directly, we can easily find out the PV ratio. So let us find it. Number one, the formula of break-even point, that is break-even sales value, is fixed cost, rather total fixed cost upon PV ratio. Now break-even sales value is given to be rupees 2 lakh, fixed cost rupees 40,000 and PV ratio is missing. So now if we change the subject of the formula, PV ratio becomes subject and fixed cost as it is as a numerator, and the new denominator is rupees 2 lakh, that is BEP. The answer is 0.2, so we can say that PV ratio is 20%. Now to calculate margin of safety, we should have the sales or present sales or actual sales or whatever the case may be. But sales means either it can be budgeted or projected, or it can be actual for the last accounting or financial period, whatsoever there may be. But we need sales as well as BEP. But we don't have any amount of sales. But we have fixed cost and we have PV ratio. PV ratio and fixed cost has indirect relationship. PV ratio is percentage of contribution to sales and contribution is excess of sales revenue or variable cost. Here PV ratio is 20%. The direct interpretation is contribution is 20% of sales. That means if sales is taken as 100%, contribution is 20%. What about the remaining 80%? That means the variable cost is remaining 80%. Because if contribution is sales minus variable cost, then variable cost must be sales minus contribution. So variable cost comes to 80% of sales. Let us substitute the figures. Variable cost rupees 3,20,000 or 320,000 equals to 80% means 80 upon 100, of means multiplication, sales. Let us change the subject. Let us make sales the subject of the formula. 3,20,000 or 320,000 into 100 divided by 80 equals to sales. So sales, or more precisely sales at present, comes to rupees 4 lakh. Now we have two things. Sales we have already found and BEP is readily available. So now we can get the answer number 2, margin of safety. Margin of safety. Margin of safety equals to sales minus BEP. If we substitute values of both these things, we can have the value of margin of safety. If we substitute quantities of these two, we can have the margin of safety quantity. But here only value is possible. Sales calculated 4 lakh, BEP readily available 2 lakh. Both are in terms of values or rupees. So margin of safety value comes to rupees 2 lakh. So this is our answer number 2. After PV ratio, we calculated margin of safety that was possible in value only. Now profit. Profit means profit at present or profit out of the or on selling rupees 4 lakh. We can calculate profit in two ways. One is longer way and another is shorter way. But I always prefer first to explain the longer way, because normally normally you students are preparing all these for the purpose of examinations, and in examination the marks scored by you are dependent on the say paper checker as well as the model answer given by the paper checker. So I will explain both the things. First of all, to calculate profit, now we know that we can use the formula of sales. In formula of sales, if we substitute sales fixed cost and PV ratio, or sales quantity fixed cost and contribution per unit as a missing item, we can find the profit. So let us take formula of sales fixed cost plus profit divided by PV ratio, because we have sales value only. If we substitute sales value, or if we want to find out sales value, we have to substitute PV ratio as a denominator in the place of contribution per unit. So sales is rupees 4 lakh, fixed cost is rupees 40,000, profit is missing, and PV ratio as we have calculated 20%. The cross multiplication of these two is actually sales into PV ratio. See the formula of PV ratio. Rather, formula of PV ratio is contribution upon sales. So multiplication of sales and PV ratio gives us the contribution. Sales into 20%, that is rupees 80,000. This 80,000 is contribution earned on sales of 4 lakh. That can be reconciled by the formula sales minus variable cost equals to contribution. 4 lakh minus 3 lakh 20,000. 80,000 is contribution. 40,000 is fixed cost. So the profit is total contribution rupees 80,000 minus fixed cost rupees 40,000. Because another formula of contribution is fixed cost plus profit. So if we subtract fixed cost from contribution, the balance is profit. So profit comes to rupees 40,000. Thus we have all the three final answers. That's it. Thank you very much.